Today I'm going to teach you the long lost art of how to make a backpack using nothing more than a pair of pants and a shoelace. Now, before we get into it, you're going to want to make sure the pants are kind of long. Leave the Bermuda shorts at home. Also, they're going to need belt loops. Belt loops are important. As for the shoelace, it doesn't actually have to be a shoelace, it just has to be longer than your arm, you know. Finally, you're going to need something to carry. I'm using a gallon of milk. I would recommend using maybe a book or a brick. Milk can spill and you're doing this for the first time. Don't worry though, I'm a trained professional. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay the pants out flat, and then you're going to lay the one leg on top of the other. Take the shoelace and you're just going to wrap it around the very bottom of the leg twice. One pass, two passes like that, and then pull it tight. Next, what you're going to do is then fold this up to the back of the pants, and then you're going to take the longer side, whichever it is, it doesn't really matter, and you're going to wrap it through one of the back belt loops and then around like that. So it's sort of attached to the belt loop here. It doesn't have to be tight, we'll tie it off later. The next step is to flip the pants over, so you're at the front, grab the object in question, and then slide it inside the pants like that. Then you can continue looping your string through the belt loops all the way around so that it makes a completely closed off top. That's going to help you prevent the inside of the backpack, whatever's in there in your book, from escaping. And then the last step is just to tie it like you would tie a pair of shoes. Like so. This may seem a little confusing because your final product really will look nothing like a backpack. It will just be sort of a tangled mess of string and pants, but let me explain how it works. How it works is simple. Each pant leg acts as a sort of strap. So you just wrap one around one arm, one around the other. Congratulations, you have yourself a fully functioning pants backpack. What more could you ask for, honestly? I could walk miles and not have the lumbering pain of carrying with me an entire gallon of milk. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And if not, happy backpacking. I'd be happy to see what creative pants you use or strings or what exactly you're carrying in your pants backpacks. Have a good one.